So this is blue. Oh,
They can't see.
This is pink. That's violet. Yeah. Sorry.
This is the best.
And this is the blue.
What's the blue one?
And this one, the stuff.
Okay, put that right here. Put that right there.
I'll show it.
The lens cap. You can show the lens cap. Yeah. Like this. Oh. This is the lid. Okay.
And this is the lens cap.
No, yeah, that's the lens cap.
Okay, that's
He's back. So, okay. So let's get started. This is the thing. So we put them right here. See them? Okay. We're going. It's a lamp and honey there. Lamp and honey.
and chocolate.
Put her somewhere else.
A donut. Let's go drink my orange. Let's go drink my orange.
I'll be right back, guys.
One of my daughters told me to make a video of this. My dad. Well, guess what happened? Big disaster about this. My mom said no, but we're doing it. Like right now. So let's get back on. So, you want to help me? I just put on the stairs. I just put on the floor. Ouch.
You want to show them my fun trick where we slide on the butt?
Oh, yeah. Let's go.
Okay. So, I want you to show them.
Yeah.
Okay. Go show you my phone. Go slide on the Keep going, bud. It's right there. Keep going, keep going.
You want to show them this? Yeah?
It's about a full day.
Okay. Ezra messed up all this. So now we're going on the next level of this.
Oh, you're vlogging. Awesome.
A second.
How long have you been vlogging for?
I'm vlogging for 3 minutes until Ezra made us move.
Okay, don't do too long, baby. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe shut it off in a minute.
Okay. And goodbye. See, enjoy that. Subscribe. Push that button. It's right here below me. And subscribe and like. Enjoy the drive.
As we hit this weekend, is it Saturday? That's what day.
Don't zoom in on me, you jerk. I'm gonna do it to you. Payback's a bad.
Have you told him about your no coffee?
If you've been
Yeah.
on the program for a while, you know the weekends can be a struggle sometimes. Maybe you're brand new to the program, you've only been doing this 5.
Who's that?
I don't know.
Maybe it's
I
4
think
days.
he's the guy who signed up the girl who signed up Gretchen.
What?
I'm in like the group, their group.
What's his name? Josh Boone?
Buckner?
Yeah, he is.
John Buckner?
How do you know that?
I got ways, people. I got ways.
Him and his wife are like pretty successful at it, huh?
Yeah.
Too bad you weren't fat, babe. To lose weight together. Let's just pretend that you've been doing it for all these years. That's how you got skinny.
Ew! I'm gonna expose your. I'm gonna expose you. I'm gonna expose your nasty feet on
gonna
this
expose
and on the
you.
internet. Stop touching me with your feet. Look at. Does everyone want to see Mom's nasty, nasty feet?
I can't even turn. It's okay, I make up for it.
Ew! At least paint them.
I'm trying to let them heal. Okay, you want to know the story?
Ew!
I got a fungus from a pedicure place, and
Wait, when?
when we first moved here. Yeah.
Your feet have been like that long?
Yeah, and so I'm like, I'm just gonna do it. I'm finally gonna do it. So you trim it all the way back and like you treat the skin underneath. So that's what's happening right now. No paint. It's pretty bad.
Mm-hmm.
But it's winter, so whatever. Until I come to Oceanside. And
You
it's
wear
flip-flops.
flip-flops all the time.
I don't wear
Even in the winter.
I know, but not now.
Don't worry.
I cannot wear flip-flops in Victorville. Here it's harder.
Yeah.
It's the same, almost the same.
No, it's
The
cold.
temperature in Victorville is the same as the temperature here. It's just windy there.
Yeah, so
And it's breezy here.
we're getting ready to leave to go to lunch or something.
I want lunch.
We should Yelp a good a sandwich spot.
There's a burger house here, but I think it's really expensive. What are you doing? What? What?
I put it in the bag.
Hello?
Hi.
What did you say? Ew, why are you putting your head on my toe?
Mommy's gonna put my
Okay, I'm gonna turn this off.
We just went and ate in there. It was pretty bomb.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. And then we
Called
went
the Booger House. Ty's Booger House.
Ty's Booger House.
Wait, what's happening?
Everybody got good stuff. I ended up getting a chicken ranch wrap.
I don't know why you did that. These are your last few days able to eat junk.
Did they know? No,
got a
not yet,
wrap?
but kind of. I got a wrap, but I don't know why I go to a burger place and get a wrap. You know what I mean? It's her treat thing. Like they're known for burgers. I wanted a roast beef sandwich, but they're out of roast beef.
Yeah.
Ew.
Daddy.
Now I need to
I
head.
gotta go to the store. I gotta go get something.
Yeah, we gotta go to the store. We went to another store. What was it called? Like the Good Head clothing store? Good Head?
Were looking at things.
Yeah, they had bongs and stuff in there. Pipes. You know, all the fun stuff. But they also had, it was like a consignment. Yeah. It was like a consignment. I don't know. What would you say? Not consignment.
Yeah, I don't know. I
It was weird,
spend
like-
very much time in
It
there.
was
like
like,
Nike and stuff in there.
and like
Lex,
Forever 21
which way do I
stuff.
go? Walmart.
Go. I have no
Back
idea.
the way you came, I think. Okay, I'll get directions. Okay.
Never been there.
But anyway, it had like Forever 21 wet sale, all kinds of different things. So it was really cool, but we ended up walking out with some rings, a necklace, and a pair of sunglasses. I'll show you guys. We're at the Oceanside Harbor. Frankie's. Oh, look at that little man. He's like getting it.
Dang, he's good. I thought he was gonna eat it.
That's what Ezra's hoping for.
Easy. I did one in the harbor too.
Oh.
You knew how to stop it?
Yeah, you just like push it.
Oh, let's
Yes.
got it. All right, let's see.
What is it?
Frankie's first beach trip.
Ready?
What is it?
I said I'm nervous because this could make or break her life with us.
Never mind.
Ah, man. What? Ezra Jude.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Elijah's in envy mode over here.
Oh, because of surfing?
Yeah. You can't even ride a skateboard, bro.
Yeah, I can. Someday, buddy. Someday. We're having a real crappy night, if you know what I mean.
Literally.
Ezra pooped his pants, so we had to clean that up. Toby and Elijah were in the backyard cleaning up dog poop for our cousin, and they both stepped in poop.
It's Elijah stepped in the biggest one, and he's wearing Vans, and the bottom of his shoe looks smooth. It's all in the diamonds of his shoe. They both have Vans on, so it's all in like a crack. And there's nothing like to.
Clean it.
And their suitcases at the bottom.
We're already all packed, ready to go home. And that was like our last little job. And of course, Ezra pooped his pants. And they stepped in poop. So pretty much, it's a crappy situation, if you know what I mean.
Oh, great.
And then, in the midst of it all.
We're going to a bomb dinner place.
Hopefully, if we can make it there in time.
Before 10.
What's up?
Mom, did
No.
you get your charger?
No. All right, we're gonna
Frankie.
look at Frankie.
Frankie.
We're not a winner.
We're trying. If you know me, I love hot dogs. So this place is gonna be bomb. Potato shots. Happy Sunday morning.
Hey.
Brad's watching his church. I already watched mine. We're going to
I watched
separate
both.
churches today. I watched Elevation. We actually ended up driving home last night. I think I told you guys that. So, slept in our own beds. It's Sunday. But since we were traveling
Traveling a lot this
Yeah.
last month.
a lot, we drove. So, Temecula, Oceanside's like 2 hours away.
Yeah.
We've driven down there at least twice a week, every week since the middle of December.
Yeah. Tired.
So we decided to stay home today. And everybody's
Chilling.
chilling, needing baths. Bad.
Ask Elijah to help you. Elijah, can you help him turn on the Xbox, please?
And I'm out here pulling LuLaRoe orders from our sale this weekend. So I'm doing that, watching some YouTube while I do that. Have my orders pulled, getting ready to package. That way they can get mailed out tomorrow and everybody can get their treasures super quickly. So that's what I'm doing. I have a birthday party later. Brad's brother and my sister-in-law are coming. So excited about that. Yeah, I don't know what else. Hopefully I look better in the next shot.